Hi, this is Yvette Hamill-Graves, and welcome to DataBank's portal tutorial series. The support section of our portal is the area of the portal that you'll probably visit the most. This is where you can open tickets, review currently open tickets with us. You can reserve a conference room in the data centers that provide that service. If you have something being delivered to the data center, say you have new equipment or replacement equipment that you need to have racked, you can open a delivery ticket with us. You can also request remote hands from our staff. We have remote hands at all of our data centers, and we're happy to help. In this case, with the support section, if you wanted to open a ticket, you would click Open New Ticket. Or if you want to review a currently open ticket, you could just highlight that particular ticket and click on it to open it up. You also can look at past history. All of your support tickets since the beginning of your relationship with us are available in the customer portal just by clicking Include Closed Tickets. We do automatically exclude patching tickets. For our customers that have managed services from us, we will do monthly critical and security patching to their systems. And those tickets, as you can imagine, they're generally not something that you have to dig into because they're just procedural. If you want to see patching tickets, you certainly can just by clicking on this and including the patching tickets in the history. In any given ticket, you can review the notes that are in that ticket. In this case, we have a ticket here where we're being told that we're going to be upgrading software on our load balancers. In this case, I can subscribe myself to this ticket. I can also add an additional email address to this. This is to add someone who isn't already an authorized user on your account. They'll receive email notifications whenever notes are added to the ticket, when the ticket's updated by DataBank or by you or a member of your staff. They won't receive any sensitive information that's added to the ticket. Sensitive information is only available to authorized users who log into the portal. This is a safety feature for your benefit. We don't want to send you password credentials through email that then anybody who has access to your email can